Anyway, I decided to pop up today to do a get ready with Overflow makeup look. Get excited, everybody. Get excited, get excited, get super, super excited. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. So I have this eye palette that I have for some time now when I was working. And I'm going to use it, and it's called Pop Beauty. So I'm going to use the purple. So basically the look that I'm going to do is going to be purple. So I'm going to use the gold out of here first, and then I'm going to layer with the purple. And I'm going to take it from corner to corner, and I'm just going to do like so. Something I never seen. I hope everyone is having a great day so far. I'm getting ready. So this is not too bad. This gold, I never really used it before. Not bad at all. There's no creasing. That's good. Awesome. Awesome. So this is a Pop Beauty brand that I'm using. And right now I'm just blending out the crease area so the shadow can blend right in nice and evenly. So that's what I'm doing with the tip of the brush. Use this purple right here, right over the gold. So I'm going to use purple today. Get excited, everybody. And I'm patting it on. Pat, 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 folks. Never drag it. Never drag your eyeshadow. Pat. You'll see a big difference. I'm getting ready to see. Not bad at all. So I'm going to go from corner to corner with this purple. And the reason why I layered it over the gold, because I wanted the color to pop. So I'm putting some purple right here on the lower lid. Like so. There it goes, showing. Purple is pretty. Get excited. I'm just put some mascara on. I gotta move quick because I don't want my battery to die out and I don't finish the video. So basically what I did, I used two eyeshadows. I used a gold, and then I put the gold on first, for those that's just tuning in, and then I apply the purple over it. So as always, I always go all the way back here like this, and I use a shade lighter than what I usually use, and this helps pulls back the face. Matter of fact, I'm going to be doing videos starting next week for Beauty Over 40. Someone contact me on my YouTube page for me to be a part of their group. So I'm going to do the video live here, but then I'm going to have to upload it on YouTube. But the pictures will be on my Instagram page. So it's going to be Beauty Over 40. So basically, the looks will be for women over 40. Get excited. Because we still can look thebomb.com over 40. Can you guys get excited about that? Yes, we can. So if you guys don't know, I transform shoes. For those of you who may not know, I believe like a month ago I created my money shoes. And a couple of days ago, I had to do some finishing touches on it because I didn't like the way it looked. So I am calling these my Overflow shoes. So you guys can check it out. I just have paper in it. This belonged to my sister's, really. She didn't want them, so I just revamped them. So they originally look like that, and then I transform them to that. And these are my signature shoes, using my creative thinking. So I love these. I love these. So I blinged it out around here. Because I didn't like it the way it looked the first time, so I said, I gotta do this over. So I did it over, and I'm satisfied with it now. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to lift up my cheeks on with this Queen Latifah bronzer. And I'm just hitting right here. Just to lift it up some. And everybody know I like to use bronzers. And I'm going to use a bronzer just to highlight my nose area. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this balm. The balm. It's called the balm. The balm highlighter on my nose. Nose. Cheekbone area. It's on the cheekbone. Both sides. Like so. My chin area. I already put foundation on, so that's why I didn't do the foundation, just to cut down the time. I'm not going to powder my face because I have dry skin. And the weather right now is not good for dry skin, so I will not be powdering my face. But what I am going to do, I am going to use this Event Thermal Spring Water to hydrate my face. And it's almost time for a new one. And it looks like this. It's good to hydrate the face. And it feels good. So if you have dry skin, please do not use too much powder on your face, especially if you're a mature woman, because the powder will sit in the creases and it would show the fine lines more. Okay, folks? So if you have dry skin, do not use powder all over your face, especially in the winter, because it will sit in the crease, and guess what? Your fine lines will show even more. So that's why you guys don't see me use too much powder when I do my videos, because my skin is dry. And I cannot do what other makeup artists do that have oily skin, because it's not going to agree with my skin type. So know there's a difference between skin tone and skin type. Okay, folks? And I have all that information in my Beauty Talk group. Get excited. Get super, super, super. This looks pretty. What you guys think? I can't wait to take the pictures. Yes, yes, yes. And that is the look, and it is so pretty. What you guys think? Lashes make a difference. It was simple. It didn't take all day. You can do this with quick 1, 2, 3, quick 1, 2, 3, quick 1, 2, 3. So stay encouraged, folks. And I will be back soon. I don't know when, but I will be back soon. And I hope you guys enjoy my Get Ready for Overflow look. Get excited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.